Can you see yourself in the 2022 Hyundai Tucson? With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety, the Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power liftgate, lane keeping assist. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.